Hello friends, welcome to my channel All Exams Info. In this video, we will discuss about the online application filling step-by-step process for NEET UG 2024. In the last video, we have discussed about the registration process of application filling. After the process of registration completed, you will receive the application number to your registered mobile number. Using that application number, you can start your application filling process. This is the official website of NEET UG 2024. Here you can see the link in latest news as click here for registration and login. To do the application filling, you have to log in with the help of the application number and pre-created password. This is the login page to enter into application filling. Here you have to choose the login by as the application number. After the completion of registration part, you will receive the application number to your registered mobile number or registered email ID. Use that application number to do the application filling. Then enter password. This is a pre-created password you have created during the registration part. Next, enter security pin. Nothing but these digits 771216. Then click on login. Suppose if you forgot the password, then you click here and then you restore the password. Okay, suppose if you forgot the application number, you have to click on this and then you can restore the application number with the help of the security questions you have chosen during the registration part. Then you should enter into status page. The registration process is already completed so that it looks like complete. Now we should check the application form and fee payment. These two are incomplete so that these two are indicated with the cross mark. We enter into the application form by click on complete application form. In application form, first we have to fill the contact details. So first we should fill the present address details, premises number or name, that is house number or house name. Next, locality. Locality is your city name. Sublocality, this is optional, need not to fill compulsorily. Next, country, India. State, Andhra Pradesh. District, you should fill your district name. Next, country code. This is a +91 for Indian students. Next, mobile number. Fill your registered mobile number. Next, alternative contact number. This is also optional. You may or may not give. Next, PIN code. Your address PIN code. Next, emergency mobile number. You have to give another mobile number. These two numbers must be different. Okay. Next one is emergency email ID. Next, permanent address. Permanent address means the address on your Aadhaar card. If permanent address and present address both are same, then you click on this box. Then automatically these columns will be filled with the previous data. Okay. Next, enter CAPTCHA. Okay, CAPTCHA means these digits you should enter in this box. Okay. Next, click on I agree box. Next, click on save and next. Then this pop-up message will display. Okay, contact details saved successfully. Okay, then click on OK. With this, the contact details are saved successfully. Okay. Next, you should enter personal details. The first one is candidate's name, student name. This name must match with the name on the 10th class marks list. Next, enter candidate's date of birth. Father and guardian's name. This name also should match with the name on the student's 10th class marks list only. Next, mother or guardian's name. This name also should match with the name on the 10th class marks list. Next, gender, male or female. Next, in case of girl candidate, are you only girl child of your parents? If you don't have any sibling and you are the only girl child of your parent, then click on yes. Otherwise, click on no. Next, nationality, Indian. Next, identity type, any other valid government identity with a photograph. Next, identification number. This is Aadhaar card number you have to fill. State UT from where 12th or equivalent passed appearing examination. From which state you have passed or appearing for qualifying examination, 12th standard or intermediate second year. Next, category. You should click on this downward arrow. It shows various number of categories. You should click on your respective category. Next, are you diabetic? Yes or no? Okay. Next, place of residence. Is it rural area or urban area of your place of residence? Next, annual family income. You have to choose the range of your family income. Okay. Next, belongs to minority. Are you belong to minority? You have to choose yes or no. Mode of preparation. How the student is preparing for NEET examination. Next, country of residence, India. Next, do you intended to wear customary dress contrary to the dress code while appearing in NEET UG 2024? For some students, there is a restriction to wear only customary dresses regularly, so that kind of students only they have to choose yes. The remaining all students you have to choose as no. Next, enter captcha these digits in this box. Okay, click on in this box. I agree. Then click on save and next. Then you should click on OK. Next, we should enter into person with disability details. If the student belongs to PWD candidate, they have to choose as yes, otherwise no. Okay. Enter captcha and agree. Next, save and next. Then click on OK. Next, exam detail. In this, apply for the NEET examination. Next, question paper medium. Here, when you click on this downward arrow, it shows totally 13 languages. You should choose your language only. Okay. Next, exam state first choice. You should choose your state to write examination. Next, second choice. Next, father, guardian, occupation. Okay. When you click on this downward arrow, so many options we have. Then you click on your suitable answer. Next, father, guardian, qualification, educational qualification of your father. Next, similarly, your mother also. Okay. Mother or guardian occupation also you can choose here. Next, enter captcha. Next, click on this box. I agree and then click on save and next. Then click on OK. Next, educational details. Here you have to fill first 10th class details, later 11th standard details and then 12th standard details. Okay. Pass status. 10th class, are you passed or not? Click on this downward arrow and should select as passed. Next, qualifying exam. This is a 10th or equivalent. Next, place of schooling. Is it urban or rural? Urban means a city, rural means a village. Like next, type of school or college. Is it government school or private unaided school or CBSE school? Like that you should select. Okay. So qualifying examination state. Okay. So from where you have completed your 10th class examination, you should choose that state name. Next, qualifying examination district. Next, you should fill the school code of your 10th class. Okay. Is it state government school or central board of secondary education or Andhra Pradesh board of secondary education or Telangana board of secondary education? Like that, you have to choose your choice. Okay. Next, school college name address. You should fill the name of the school and school pin code, 10th class the roll number, which is available on your 10th class marks list. Next, result mode. Two type of modes, percentage mode or CGPA mode. Okay, according to your 10th class marks list only, you should fill all this data. Okay, suppose if you have the CGPA grade, then you have to select the CGPA. If your result on your marks list is in percentage, then you should choose a percentage. Suppose your maximum marks is 600, then you have to fill 600. Next, obtain marks. Obtain how many marks the student achieved. Okay. Next, percentage. Okay, automatically this percentage will be calculated by the computer itself. Next one, 11th standard or equivalent examination details. Again, same, this is a passed or a fail. Okay, you should choose as a passed. Next, year of passing. In which year you have completed your examination, 11th standard examination or intermediate first year examination. Next, qualifying examination is 11th standard or equivalent. Okay, the place of schooling. This is either urban or rural. Okay, next type of school or college. Is it a private unaided or government college? Next qualifying examination state. From which state you have passed 11th standard examination. Next qualifying examination district. You should fill the district also. School board. School board is Telangana State Board of Intermediate Education. Suppose if you are from Andhra Pradesh, then you should choose as Andhra Pradesh State Board of Intermediate Education. Suppose if you are from ICSE, then you should choose ICSE. School, college name and address. Okay, write your school name or college name. Next, pin code of your college or school code. 11th standard roll number. Okay, this is available on your marks list. Next, result mode. Okay, if it is in CGPA, your result, then you have to fill the maximum grade point is 10. Next, out of 10, how much grade you have received? Next, cumulative percent as 95%. Next, 12th or equivalent examination details. Suppose if the student is appearing for 12th class examination or intermediate secondary examination in 2024, you have to select as appearing. So suppose if student already passed 12th class examination and preparing in long-term coaching, then you have to select as passed. Next, year of passing. Okay, when you completed it. 2023 or 2024, you have to fill. Next, qualifying examination code. Qualifying examination code is already I have done one video about this qualifying examination codes. Okay, those who are appearing final examination in 2024, they have to choose code 1. The remaining all students has to choose 2 to 7 codes. The students who is writing examination of second year intermediate are 10+2 examinations in 2024, those students we have to select as 1. If the student already passed and preparing in long-term coaching, those students you have to select as 3. If the student belongs to MPPC category, those students you have to choose as 2. Next, place of schooling, is it urban or rural? Next, type of school or college, is it private, unaided, government college? You have to choose. Next, qualifying examination state. Next, qualifying examination district. Okay, district also you have to fill. Next, school board. Okay, if you are from Telangana, then you have to select as Telangana State Board of Intermediate Examination, Intermediate Education. Suppose if you belongs to Andhra, Andhra Pradesh State Board of Intermediate Education. Suppose if the student belongs to ICSE or CBSE, then accordingly you have to choose. Next, school, college name and address. You should write the name of your college or school. Next, college or school code. Okay, postal code only you have to fill, not just roll number. And then you should enter the roll number of your 12th standard or intermediate second year. Okay. Next, result about is it in CGPA or percentage. Next, you have to fill all these marks of intermediate or 10+2 marks. Okay. Here, English for 2 years, total marks are 200. Obtained marks are the student, how many marks the student got, okay, 190 marks. Next, chemistry, total marks are 150, including practicals, you have to fill. Next, obtained marks, okay, you should write. Next, physics also 150, obtained marks 145. Next, biology or biotechnology, total marks should be 300, 150 plus 150 botany and zoology. Next, obtained marks are around 295 something. Okay, whatever you have to write it. Okay, next captcha. Next, click on this box. I agree. Next, save and next. Click on OK. Next, additional details. Here, twin brother and sister details. If a student is a twin sister or brother, are you a twin and both applying for NEET examination? If yes, yes. Otherwise, no. You have to fill your twin sister or twin brother details also. Okay. Next, did you ever appear in NEET UG examination? Already, if you are appeared for NEET examination, then select yes. Suppose if the student is appearing first time, then no. Next, number of previous attempts in NEET UG. Suppose if you are already appeared, then you should is 1 time or 2 times, so then you have to select. Next, enter captcha. Okay, these digits you have to fill. Next, click on agree. Next, save and next. Then click on OK. Next, document upload. The first one is photo. The document format should be in JPG format or PEG format. Minimum size is 10 kilobyte, maximum is 200 kilobyte. Similarly, signature also. Signature also in JPG or JPEG format, and the size should be between 4 to 30 kilobytes only. Photo, postcard size photo. This is the size of a postcard size should be 4 by 6 inches, and it should be also in JPG format or JPEG format, and the size should be between 10 to 200 kilobytes. Next, left and right hands, fingers and thumb impressions. First, you should take the impressions on white paper and then scan using mobile scanner app and then upload only. Okay, this is also in JPG or JPEG format and the size should be 10 to 200 kilobytes. Okay, next one. Suppose if the student belongs to PWD category, the student has to upload PWD certificate also. That PWD certificate is already available in information bulletin. First you should download and then information bulletin and should be filled and signed by the government doctor. Later only you should scan and upload. Okay. After upload, you can check your images are clear or not. Okay. So if it is not clear, then you should re-upload your images. Okay. Next, click on save and next, and then document saved successfully, click on OK. Then the review application form will be open. First, you have to verify your mobile number. Okay, so click on this, please verify your mobile number. Then you should give your mobile details. Here, country code is 91. Next, enter mobile number and captcha. Then click on send OTP. Then you should enter OTP, then CAPTCHA, and then verify OTP. Okay, then click on OK. Now you should check the status of your application and payment. Now you should click on complete application form. Okay. Now the review of application form will be open. Now please check all the details you entered are correct or not. After verification only, you should click on final submit. Okay. Now you should tick all these boxes. Okay, after your verification properly, then only you should click on final submit. You click on this OK. Now we should enter into payment. Okay. When you select the category, automatically the amount should be selected. Okay. Click on pay now. Okay. After payment only, your total process of NEET UG 2024 application filling is completed. Okay. So I hope you like this video. If you like, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, All Exams Info. If you have any doubts, please comment in comment box. I will clarify your doubts. Thank you.